Hello buddy kitty. In this video I will teach you what are the things comes under the playing toys. So what is toys? Toys is an artifact designed to be played with toy or an object used for pleasure or enjoyment. So now let us list out what are the things come under the playing toys. DOLL doll. TRICYCLE tricycle. ROCKET rocket. TEDDYBEAR teddy bear. BALL ball. ROCKING rocking horse. MASK mask. DUCK duck. MARBLES marbles. BLOCKS blocks. TOP top. TELEPHONE telephone. BAT bat. AEROPLANE aeroplane. CAR car. PUPPETS puppets. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. D-R-U-M. Drum. G-U-N. Gun.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.